back to my channel. Today's video is I'm going to try and do a glam makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using the Naked Heat palette for this look. I've used this palette quite a few times and it's really good for really intense smoky eyes, soft smoky eyes. And I just wanted to use it to attempt a glam makeup look. I've already done my eyebrows and I used the Charlotte Grant Cosmetics brow soap in translucent and the Maybelline Ultra Slim defining pencil. I've also primed my eyelids with the Revolution Focus and Fix Eye Primer, which looks like this. And I'm just going to get straight into the makeup and I'm going to go and do the eyes first. I'm going to go into Chaser, which is this colour. And I'm just putting that all over the lid. I looked up the term glam makeup and there's a couple of terms where it says so, like old Hollywood, it could be a bold lip or something like that, soft glam as well, and it's more like pinks and like blurred and not all blended, and I think that's what I'm gonna go for today, which is the blended type of blown out look. So I'm gonna be taking the Look Good Feel Better tapered blending brush and I'm just gonna go into Sourced, which is the colour next to Chaser. And I'm just putting that on the crease, just above the crease, sorry. I'm just gonna blend and blend and blend. So the way I see glam makeup is that it's a really simple eye makeup that's really easy to do, but you just look like you've spent a while in the makeup chair. I say a makeup chair, but I mean like, you know, your vanity, your makeup desk, whatever you want to say. But in my eyes, it's as if someone has spent a while doing your makeup. Obviously, I'm gonna spend a while doing the makeup just because I'm actually doing a tutorial about it. But yeah, in my eyes, it's quick, really simple, and you just look really, really nice. And that's what I wanted to do today. So it's like, you know, you could use it for like a bank holiday weekend, the races, you know, anywhere where you just want to look a bit glam, hence glam makeup. So I'm just blending that just above the crease, up underneath the brow bone. God, I cannot speak today. So this is why I don't really speak in my videos, because I just never seem to be able to talk. I always stutter and I never get my words out right, and it's really, really annoying. But never mind, we'll just continue. So I'm just really, really blending that out, and you know, just so it goes really soft. I don't want any sort of harsh edges. I've actually started the Couch to 5K and I'm on week 4, day 1, or I've just completed that today. So it's like intervals, because obviously the journey is to get you to run the 5K without stopping. And oh my God, like, fatness is real. Fitness levels, you can really see how bad you are when you try and run for a certain amount of time. Wow. Week 4, day 1. I did that today and I had to stop at about 3.5 minutes because I felt like I was going to die. So I paused the Fitbit workout, and then I paused the treadmill. Well, I paused the treadmill first, then the Fitbit workout, and then the actual 5K runner app. And I just literally just stood still for about 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes, and I was like, I can't do this, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I got my breath and then I decided to walk again just a little bit and then start the run off, and I did actually finish it, but whew, I can't even imagine. Like, I did it before a few years ago and I got to week 5 where you do like a 5 minute, 6 minute and then a 5 minute run again, and I don't actually understand how I did it back then. It absolutely killed. I'm going to go into the shade Low Blow, and I'm just going to be using the same brush because I want all of the colours to blend together. And I'm just going to go into the same sort of area but more towards the actual crease of the eye. So as you can see, the crease is obviously the bit where the line shows up, so I'm gonna just go into that little bit there. So yeah, so I haven't filmed anything of the Couch to 5K. All of it's on my Instagram. I'll link the Instagram on the page somewhere. Well, not link it, but I'll put the username somewhere. But I always put like it on stories of how far I'm into the workout and show you how many calories I've burnt and stuff like that. But yeah, I've put all of that on Instagram, but I was thinking about doing a review video after it, if that's something that you would like to watch. Obviously I know you've come here for the makeup tutorial, but and if you've stuck around this long for us to talk about the 5K Runner app, then I would happily do a review if that's something that you want. Who's excited now that the hairdressers have all opened? Who's yet to have the hair done? Because I haven't. I've got balayage, but I wanted a full set of highlights again, and I was about to have the appointment just before lockdown and it got cancelled. So I've had to live with the balayage for quite a while now. But I really wanted the highlights. Contacted her and I'm just waiting to see if I can get an appointment. I don't know if I can yet because I know she'll be really busy. I'm going to use the Molly O'Brien Shar brush, and I think I'll go into the shade Cayenne. It's like cayenne pepper. Is that how you say it? It just looks like that. For this shade, I'm going to map out the outer corner V and just deepen that corner out. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Ashes, and I'm gonna put that on the lid. Just packing that on. Shade just to blend that those colours out. We'll go back into Fuego, which is like the deep red colour, and I'm just gonna go in with that and then make sure that's all blended out and seamless with all the other colours, which I think is a great which I think is a great combination. Like, look at that, that's really nice. We'll go in with Low Blow and Cayenne. Just wanted to mention as well that I'm going to get the Stacey Marie Be Perfect Carnival palette, the XL one. So I'll be able to do a lot of different types of looks, especially P. Louise inspired, because their makeup looks are insane, and I really want to be able to practice them. And then obviously, because I'm very much a beginner, I want to do some beginner tutorials on that makeup palette. I'm going with a Flat Revolution brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Lumber, which is a sparkly shade, and I'm going to go in the inner corner with that colour. More like a grunge type glam, isn't it? I don't really know how to describe this look. It's like a mixture of all sorts. Go in with my Peaches and Cream PC14 smudger brush, and I'm just going to go in with all of those shades. I'm going to mix Sourced and Low Blow and put that on the waterline, lash line. I'm just going to put all of the colours underneath, just so that it's sort of like a reverse effect. I'm going to finish off the eyes off camera. I'm just going to put some eyelashes and mascara on, and then I'm going to come back and do the lip and finish off the video. So I'm back and I've finished off the face makeup. So I've decided to use the Peaches and Cream Punchline lip liner and the Gosh Antique matte lipstick in 003. So I'm just going to line the lips now. And then straight into the lipstick. So this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching me trying out glam makeup. I would call this grunge glam, but you know, it encompasses both really, to be honest. But I really enjoyed using the Naked Heat palette for this. It's nice to bring out old palettes again, because obviously you've got all these new palettes out, which is all exciting and stuff like that. But I like to get use out of the palettes that you already have. But anyway, I'm just going on a rant. What I wanted to quickly mention as well is that if you did want me to go on and do a weight loss series, then comment down below the muscle bicep emoji. I'll pop it on screen somewhere as well. But yeah, well, thanks so much for watching, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe, as it really means a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.